Hurricane Michael, as it continues getting a bit closer to the Palmetto State, wind, rain that can cause some flooding, even isolated tornadoes, the big threats with the storm. Talking about that severe weather threat, a marginal risk for Wednesday for our viewing area. Tomorrow is an alert day. For your Thursday, a slight risk for parts of the area, even marginal there. Thursday is an alert day. We could see severe storms that could produce some isolated tornadoes as this continues to get closer to our area. You'll see the outer rain bands here. We have a cold front, though, off to the west that will help push this storm away from us as we go into Friday. Now, here's the deal. Remember Florence? Yeah, it didn't have really much to really kind of kick it out. But this one will, because this front will push east. That will help deflect this storm away from us as we go to the end of the week. So the weekend is looking great. Right now with Hurricane Michael, this is a 5 p.m. update for the National Hurricane Center. It's a big storm, major category 3, and is headed toward the Florida Panhandle, making landfall sometime tomorrow afternoon. And then it'll likely roll over land, losing that supply of warm water. And here goes that cone of uncertainty. You'll see it right there, okay? Don't pay attention just to this center red line, because it still has the opportunity and an equal chance to move to the west or even to the east. And so that means there's a lot that can still happen with this storm, and a lot of our rain estimates, even wind estimates, could change. They could go up or down. But right now we're calling for about 2 to at least 3 to 5 inches of rain. I took some of the numbers up, just 3 to 5 inches of rain for our area. And we could have wind gusts around 45 to 50 miles an hour in a few spots. The heaviest of the rain will likely arrive Thursday. But there will be some pockets of heavy rain for our Wednesday scattered about that could produce, again, some localized flooding, even isolated tornadoes. And right now, again, I'm going around 3 to 5 with some of the rainfall estimates. You see that one a little higher for Fairfield County. But overall, again, it will all depend on the exact track of the storm. With the winds, already a little breezy out there right now. And the winds will start picking up a bit more as we go through the day tomorrow. We'll start feeling more of those tropical storm force wind gusts a little bit later on tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, but especially overnight into Thursday. Those winds will really start howling for us. In fact, as you look at them on a local scale, that's 8 a.m. Thursday, you'll see some of these wind gusts. All right, so you'll see at 41 miles an hour for Aiken. All right, this is 8 a.m. We head towards 11 a.m., 50 miles an hour for Orangeburg County, 56 in Manning for Clarendon County, up to around 44 at Columbia Metro. Even some of those wind gusts are around 32 in Camden, up to around 40-something there in Camden as we go through the day. This is in the afternoon, by the way. That's 58 with this one. This one says up to 62. Man, right? And then you also talk about 56 miles an hour there for Orangeburg County. Then as the storm continues to, again, you'll see the circulation. You see, this is just a great product here. It allows you to see the circulation around the center of the storm. It goes counterclockwise like a pinwheel, okay, against the clock. So you'll see all these winds starting to wrap around the center of this storm like this. And this will be the motion of this storm as it continues pushing to the north and east away from us. So as by the time that we go into the evening hours on Thursday, things really start to kind of wind down a little bit late in the nighttime hours especially. Rain 3 to 5, that's going to be mainly area-wide, but we could see wind gusts around 40 miles an hour for Newberry County and Saluda County. Right now, wind gusts to about 45 miles an hour plus for areas like Richland and Lexington counties, even Kershaw and Fairfield. Rain 3 to 5, sustained winds around 20 to 30. And we might see the winds just a bit higher here for these areas. You'll see that includes Orangeburg County, even Clarendon and Sumter, 3 to 5. Wind gusts around 50 miles an hour or higher. So again, these numbers might change, and they will likely change. So those numbers could go up or down. Right now, I'm going to keep it safe around 3 to 5 inches of rain. And you saw the wind gusts there. Temperatures in the low 80s for highs Thursday, that 100% chance of rain. And then you look at the forecast for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Things really start improving with more sunshine. You'll see temperatures in the mid-70s and overnight temperatures in the 50s.
Well, a news story in Horry County reads like a tabloid newspaper as a wife goes on trial today.